Alright guys, well here it is. It's really weird seeing it like this because I've never seen it like this before. We're getting this coated. I told you guys about this yesterday probably. Do you want to give it a couple revs? What's up guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Today's a very exciting day because I'm unboxing my 100K plaque from YouTube. If you guys follow the channel, then you know I hit 100K on December, I think 24th, so it was on Christmas Day or Christmas Eve of last year, 2019. So today is a pretty big deal, man. So I got my plaque in a couple hours ago. The UPS truck showed up and dropped it off. And I've been waiting for this thing because this means so much to me, man. It means that all the hard work that I've put into making these videos and all the content that I have, tried to provide you guys is paying off. It means people are showing love to the channel, are subscribing, are joining, and we're getting bigger and bigger. So today we hit 125,000. And the plaque is here, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it, see what's up with it. As you can see, side views right here because the Mustang's in the shop at the moment. So I did want to bring you guys just an update, kind of show you the 100K plaque, and then talk about some things on the channel today. So here we go. So it came in a package like this. As you can see, YouTube on it. They changed these up. I know they used to look a little different back in the day, but they're a little different now than they used to look. I took off all the stickers that were on it, kind of just keep the packaging nice and clean. I gotta grab my handy dandy knife and open this up. All right guys, well here it is. You ready for it? I'm pretty ready. Oh man, here we go. Ta-da! I'm gonna move this out of the way. So here it is. We have the YouTube letter from the YouTube CEO. So it says, you just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with the Silver Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations. Yours sincerely, Susan. I can't read your last name, I'm sorry, but that's the CEO of YouTube. So you guys ready? Ready? Here it is, boys. Wow, this thing is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna take it out of the wrapping here. Check this out. Woo! Can you guys see that? So here it is, boys. 100,000 of you guys are the reason I have this today. So I wanted to really say from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for making my dream come true, for supporting the channel, for being there, through all the ups and downs that we've had on the channel, and all the craziness. Last year I had a lot of ups and downs, man. I'm not gonna lie. We had that motorcycle accident that kind of set me back and really kind of hurt me mentally, put me in a bad place. But it was through you guys' support and kind of love that I was able to get out of the mindset and continue to create and move forward. So this year, 2020, I have a drive like never before. I have a calling, and I literally cannot wait to get up every day to be out there filming videos, meeting more of you guys, and putting out awesome content that you guys enjoy. So I hope that you guys do appreciate that as much as I appreciate you guys for being here on the channel. And if you want to continue to support, all I need from you guys is just drop a like on the videos, comment something if you want to, and you know, that'll just help keep me pushing forward and help keep the channel growing in the right direction. So thank you so much. This is amazing. I can't wait to hang this up above my editing desk so I can look at it every time I'm editing a video and get that much more motivated to put out better content. So anyways, we'll put that aside now. Sorry for the little bit of a blabbering there, but I really wanted to just say that. I wanted to give my thank you to all of you guys. This is honestly, like, it's such a big deal because I was about to quit last year. I was about to leave it all and just go back to working a 9 to 5, and I stuck through with it because of your guys' support, and look where we're at now. So here we are. Oh man, such a beauty. So anyways, let's go ahead and get to the rest of the video. Enjoy. Hello. Good morning, guys. How's she coming along? Woo! Oh man. It looks a little scary, not gonna lie. It's the first time I've seen her this far torn apart.
Yeah, it's bit in pieces right now.
Yeah.
It's getting there.
Alrighty guys, so I pulled up this morning to check out and see how the car's doing. As you can see here, these guys are very organized. They have everything kind of laid out. Wheels down there, fender covers, and here is the Mustang all torn apart. I've never seen her in this condition, so it's a little weird for me to see her like this, but you know, this is kind of the process. There's a lot of stuff that gets to be removed and stuff like that to have this done properly. And I'm just so glad I'm not the one dealing with this, because it's just, there's a ton of wires, a lot going on, and I think if it was my first time, it'd take me a really long time to really kind of figure it out and get it done. So you say what, you've done about 5 of these so far?
Yeah, I think this is the 5th or 6th one we've done.
So I mean, hey,
lose track a bit.
So that's the 5th Whipple one they've done. So I'm sure they've been doing a lot of other cars, but this is just, you know, a breeze for them at this point. If you get, you know, through the cycle a couple times. So this is we're getting this coated. I told you guys about this yesterday probably, but and he's marked it for me, which is awesome. Makes it a lot easier. So nothing on the inside, just all on the outside.
On the inside, all on the outside.
Yeah, and there's 2 pieces to this.
Yeah, I got the other piece right here.
I think that one's gonna be the harder one for them.
Yeah, a little hard. It's a little more intricate, but
should be done. I mean, the inside doesn't matter if they coat this.
Not so much right here.
Yeah,
you can't really see it. So
it's all about the front.
It's all about the top area. They feed in together like that.
Cool.
You know, so
awesome.
Pretty straightforward.
Okay, and then we're getting the little.
Oh yeah, the Whipple tags right there
as well, powder coated. Nice. I'm super excited to see how this comes out. All right, boys. So I'm heading over to the powder coating shop right now. I picked up the Whipple, or the 2 pieces, or like the top piece, pretty much. I didn't really care to get the whole thing powder coated. I think just the top piece is really the one that I want yellow. The rest of it can remain black. You know, you can get this option from Whipple. It's about $600 to do it through them, or you can do it yourself, which is going to save you a ton of money, around $500. And you know, I have a guy that I work with for powder coating. He's done my wheels, he's done some other things for me, so it just didn't make sense to pay the extra money, and it takes longer to get it through Whipple. So just had the shop take it apart. They're still working on the install. This is not kind of stopping them from making progress, but the powder coater just gets it, has it for a day or 2, and then I drop it back off at the shop. We put everything together, should be good to go. So pretty stoked, pretty excited to get it all done. You know, I think it's gonna come out really, really nice. So I'm super excited for the finished product. I hope that the yellow kind of blends in with everything else I have going on, which I think it will, but you just never know until you kind of see the final result. So shout out to Voodoo, man. They're killing the install. They're moving and grooving, making really good progress. I mean, it's only been a day, and they already have the car all taken apart and everything, so hopefully it'll be all good to go by tomorrow. And just like that, we made it over to Voodoo. We are back, ready to go. You want to give it a couple revs? Oh my god.